Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app launcher iOS 17 from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then click on Continue to App at the top right corner. Select your language from the list of available ones and save it by hitting Save. Then tap on Continue twice. And finally, click on Start. Now, after closing an ad, wait couple of seconds and close Launcher app. Then go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access apps. Click on Default Apps and tap on Home app. Now to switch to Launcher iOS 17, just click on it. As you can see, mine was applied successfully. If you want to go back to your default one, just go into exactly the same settings and tap on Quick Step. You can also tap on your iOS Launcher app. Tap on Continue to App at the top right corner. Select Allow and manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!